Well, good afternoon. I'm Richard Spires. Many of you might know me from my government experience, but prior to government, I spent 20 years in the private sector, about 10 of that serving the federal government. When I entered the government, first at the IRS and then subsequently at the Department of Homeland Security, I spent 8 years. And one of the things that I really focused on was trying to build better relationships between us in government, and particularly in senior IT positions, and those in industry. And I did a lot of speaking engagements, spent a lot of time on that, and wanted to even spend more, but I ran into some issues with some of the attorneys in the ethics organizations, actually, including wanting to be the government co-chair for ELC. But I say all that because now that I'm back in the private sector, I still have a lot of passion for how do we better use technology to help the mission of government. And we still have a long way to go. I mean, it's delightful to see that FITARA has passed, for instance, and I have high hopes that will really help in this mission that we're all on. And so I was asked to run, and I said, sure, I think the world of this organization. I mean, I always tell people that the best conference that I go to every year when I was in government was ELC, by far the best conference. And if I can be part of helping ACT be even better, or even sustain, because that was an incredible slate of candidates there, and for those of you that have served, thank you for your service. But I'm hoping to step up my service, even if I'm not elected. I've already, Ken's reached out, and I'm going to help. I'm running a software product company that's actually based in San Francisco, so I've got kind of 1 foot there and 1 foot here. And so we're trying to do more with Silicon Valley, and I've said, sure, I'm going to help, because my view is government needs to bring in more innovation than we have right now. And a lot of that innovation is happening out there, although there's a lot of innovation here going on here too, I wish to say. I ask you for your vote, and I would be very privileged to serve on the executive committee. Thank you.